Oh, no. Me?
Alright guys, so we started this Benihana baby oil.
Baby oil.
Don't worry, we only use free-range babies, okay? Our fried rice, this is going to be the Japanese pico de gallo.
That's
We have
Mexican.
chicken nuggets from McDonald's.
Oh.
This is going to be the veggie appetizer, okay guys? Everybody gets onion and zucchini. Alright, and folks, is this anyone's first time here at Benihana? Do we have any first timers?
Here, first timer.
Your first time?
Here,
First
here.
time? Guys, great. My first time too, okay? Guys, does anybody know what this is? Well, thank you. Anybody know what that is right there?
Volcano.
Oh, no, onion.
A volcano onion.
Volcano onion, okay.
Yes.
Right, little fire over here. Don't touch it, okay? That'd be really bad.
Woo!
Please watch those eyebrows.
Woo! Woo!
Like a whistle you got, huh?
So sharp. It's like hustler. Good skill. Ang yang major ani kay Japanese hadachi. Kinahanglan ka fast ani kay mapaig. Kinahanglan ka fast kay mapaig. Tanaw yang.